This video will show you how to set up a project in Unity 2019. You'll notice there's a Unity shortcut on your desktop, so double-click the shortcut to launch Unity. You'll notice that it opens Unity Hub. Click the New button on the right side of the window to create a new project. This opens the Unity New Project screen. First, you'll need to choose the project type by selecting the appropriate template. On the left, under Templates, select the type of template file you'd like to choose by clicking on it once. If you're unsure, you can always click on the eye in the top right-hand corner, and a display will pop up with information about the template type. Click the Got It button to close the display window. In SGD 112, you'll generally be creating 3D projects, so that's what we've selected in this example. Next, go to the Settings area on the right side of the New Project window. Give the project a descriptive name by typing it in the project name box. Your instructors will have a specific naming convention they require you to follow, so be sure to check the assignment details for how to name your file. For this example, we'll pretend the student's name is John Smith. We'll name the file using last name, first initial, a dash, and then the name of the assignment. So we'll type Smith, J, dash, and assuming the assignment is called Lab 1, we'll type Lab 01. Last, you'll need to choose a location to save your project. This is one of the most important steps in this process for two reasons. You don't want to lose hours worth of work, and you don't want to be written up for plagiarism. Click on the ellipses on the right side of the location box. First, I'll address the issue of plagiarism. Click on This PC and scroll down. You'll notice that there is a location called Devices and Drives and another one called Network Locations. Never save or store files on the network drive called Student Data Folder, or it could be named SGD Network Share. Students may only place their work on a network drive when they are instructed to do so by their professor. Student work placed on that drive is visible to other students and can result in a plagiarism referral for both the student giving the work and the student receiving the work. Now I'll address the issue of losing hours of work time. Never open and edit Unity projects directly from your flash drive. It can corrupt not only the Unity project, but also other files on your flash drive. You must save your work to a specific place on the SGD Classroom computer, then transfer it to your flash drive at the end of class. After it's saved to your flash drive, don't forget to delete it on the classroom computer so you can avoid plagiarism. In the SGD Classroom computers, all files are deleted when the computer is turned off, unless it is saved on one specific drive on the computer. Power outages do sometimes occur during class, so you always need to save it to the correct place when you first create the project. Under Devices and Drives, click on Student Data D, and then click the Select Folder button. Finally, click the Create button. Unity will appear to close and relaunch, so be patient while it's working in the background. Your new project will open shortly.